Example 2, find the total surface area of the hexagonal pyramid shown, round to 3 significant digits. I'm going to make the assumption that's a regular hexagon, otherwise we don't have formulas for it. So we'll say that's a regular hexagon just for that. And they tell us what we need to know. So the last problem we had to actually find out what the slant height equaled. This time they're telling me the slant height here. So the slant height is here, that's S. The altitude is 12, that's H. And the base is a regular hexagon. So if I go ahead and draw my base out, regular hexagon is here. There's my base. The length of the side is 3.5 yards. And the area of a regular hexagon is 2.598 a squared. Let me verify that number real quick. 3 square root of 3 divided by 2. 2.598 a squared. The perimeter of a regular hexagon is simply 6 times the length of the side, because there's 6 equal sides, right? 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So, those are my formulas for area and perimeter of this hexagon, and the length of the side is what A equals. So A is equal to 3.5 yards. So the area of my regular hexagon is 2.598 times A squared. My perimeter is 6 times 3.5. 6 times 3.5 is 21. 2.598 times 3.5 squared is 31.8255. So my first priority on these problems is find all this stuff. So I know what the area is, I know what the perimeter is. Area is going to be in square yards. Perimeter is going to be in yards. The slant height is given as 12.38 yards. And the altitude is given, which is 12.0 feet. Okay. The formulas are still the same. We're still dealing with a pyramid. So I'm looking at my pyramid formulas here. And I see the word pyramid, pyramid formulas. It says find the total surface area of the hexagonal pyramid shown. So, total surface area is this formula.
Don't forget the 1/2.
Thank you. I have a perimeter, I need that. I've got slant height, I need that. I've got altitude, I need that. I don't need height, so even though I know what the height is, it's not useful in this problem. Again, you know all 4 things, but only use the ones you need to use. All right? So, the formula says S equals 1/2 PS plus A. So the total surface area is equal to 1/2 times P, which is 21 yards, times S, which is 12.38 yards, plus A, which is 31.8255 square yards. 8255. Just for a quick glance here, see this formula here is embedded in this formula? The difference between lateral surface area versus total surface area. Lateral surface area is just the area of the sides. To get total surface area, you simply add the base area to it. Right, so the area of the hexagon in addition to the lateral makes the total. So that's the difference in the formulas. But again, it's right there. Once you get it written down, now it's just type in your calculator and you get your answer. So 1/2 being multiplied by 21 times 12.38 plus 31.8255 comes out to a total surface area of 161.8155. That's of course going to be square yards. And any type of area, surface area, lateral surface area, basic two-dimensional area, it's always square units. And then the final thing I got to do, once I've established what the answer is I need to round correctly, because this one does request a rounding, right? So round to the 3 significant digits, and as you can see, we currently have 7 significant digits. So if I start at the leftmost digit, significant, significant, this is my 3rd one here. If I'm rounding that, generally it's going to get 162, right? So S ends up equaling 162 square yards. If it rounded to a 0, you'd have to put a bar over that 0 to make it significant. So again, round to 3 digits, and then do what's necessary to make those digits significant, basically. All right? And if it's like some ginormous number, let's say it was 1,618,155. Let's just pretend it's that. Suppose the answer was 1,618,155. Pretend. We want to round that to pretend. We want to round that to 3 significant digits. Again, 162, right, is significant. But now you need 4 more zeros to put those in the right place value to make it 1,620,000. So make sure that when asked for rounding, you round to the correct number of sig figs, you put extra zeros if necessary to put them in the proper position. This was not necessary. 162 is exactly right.